Miller. And today I'm going to Evergreen Mills. And there's one thing I forgot. I'm about to hunt down that super large super mutant called Super Mutant Gargantuan. Gargantuan. I don't know. It's G-A-R-T. Okay. I think you got it. And for that, I will need a lot of ammo of one kind. Why? Because that thing has 200,000 HP. And when I kill it, I will level up. Maybe even 2 times, because it will yield more than 17,000 XP. Yeah, I think I will get 2 levels. And I was thinking, like, I have a lot of where are my ammunition? What of these? They're really high damage. They have like maybe 1/3 more, 33% more damage than these 5.56, and they don't have. They have like 1/3, 33% lower penetration, and they're really inaccurate. So if I'm going to use them at all, I think this is the perfect occasion to do it. And to use a hunting rifle, it will just cost me too much time. So I can perfectly just leave that hunting rifle here, and instead I think I have RPK. And since my repair skill is over 50, I can put the scope on this one. Like this scope. And that was the thing I was setting up now. That's why I'm late again. So what I can do... Actually, I need to get rid of both of these weapons and instead take an RPK that is scoped and silenced, and one that is neither scoped nor silenced. That's what I will be left with after I put the scope from this one to this one. Yeah, that's what I'm doing actually. And I need to do it like this manually, because I haven't built it like weapon mod kits mod has been realized. So how am I going to do it? I just need to see what's the condition. This one is 50, so I'm removing the scope from this one, putting in this one. So I'll be left with this one with condition 50. And the way to change it is, you can already see it for some reason. This is the variable. It's, yeah, a variable actually. Which serves me, because I can't use global variables in console. I don't know how to do that. I don't know, maybe there is a way, but I'm just too lazy, and that's why I'm using this one. No, come on, return. Ah, damn it. Q. And in order to do it, yeah. So right now, yeah, you can see it's the same condition. I need to do 200. I need to set this one to 200. Okay, it's equipped. Two times, okay. And so now it's complete. And I don't need to waste a lot of ammo so it degrades manually. But it cost me a lot of time to make it work. So yeah, I don't need to bother with those mod kits. And that's it. And I'm going to use these ones. Scope and sounds. And Malcolm's gonna carry that. I don't know actually. He can help me. It's not worth it actually. I'm getting strength penalties. Also I'm getting agility penalties, but it's makes no difference because my agility is below 1. So we are ready now. I really hope there is nothing else. So as you maybe know, that super mutant is trapped, is caged, so maybe I'll be able to snipe it down from afar. And I think that's not fair, so I will, before doing that, I'm going to release him. And I mean, it's really not fair that you get a lot, like 1700, no, yeah, 17,000 XP for killing it while it's locked. Other thing, I should be prepared that some raiders are waiting for me. Oh no, damn. The game crashed. Why? So I'm back. Okay, it didn't crash again. I'm quite sure this is the place. I've heard from some folks. Should I remember when I played last time? But there is like a railway leading into like a mine or something. That's, and you can snipe down everything from up here, and it will be really easy. I hope. Anyway, I have power armor now, so there will be a lot of raiders there, but I think it shouldn't concern me that much. And I'm going to go here. Because I remember that was really abandoned. Okay, going with me, Malcolm, and be prepared. Okay, shouldn't be sneak also. That's kind of stupid, like, if I'm using motorcycle I should be able to see it from afar, but this way there are really high chances I get ambushed. So, here. Okay, okay, not bad. Damn it, Malcolm. Okay, I'm going to tell him to wait, because I'm not sure what that